Sibobe coach. Yeah? Uthi ya. Futhi unomkhaba. Yeah? Ngithi ithi ya
Ngasikhathi Sibobe Shoe.
Isongisho uyazibona nomkhaba. Icover le.
Vele uyijike vele. Sibobe Shoe ufuna upizza mfana. Ngathi upizza ngomthetho hlahlo ka Sibobe.
Nongwenye baba.
Nongwenye.
Abekuthamala.
Angeke.
Angwenye bekuthamala.
Angeke kusungwe.
Likakhulu lakha yahlaba.
Nayi le ndawo. Ngi-right. Ngibonakala grand. Ungikhumbuze ne. Mangithi ngicale ngithi ngibheke uPulekani. Uthi ya ukuthi ngibuyele ngithi yeah. Bese ngibuyela ngiba grand. Yeah.
So right.
That's all right.
Noma ukukhuluma sombheka kani nami ngizoshaya.
Sandumela nani. Igama laba ngopule.
Monyiwe yo.
Dana samkhenza khona uMkonti. New season 2026. Kanjalo death weight siyachubekisa lento wafethu. Yabona manje fresh ahlezi la.
Hey,
Sikithi phela ngayi ngaku right. Sambiza ngamapolisi. Hamba namaphoyisa.
Yeah, sure. Wala. Efinye 2026 Chibobo Max, Chibobo Mavocha. Oh yebo, danko.
Vuleka iminyango.
hey.
Vuleka iminyango. Ngayi ngasathi la mfethu. General meeting bheka icele.
Bomele.
Siyaphuthi.
Bo expected.
Uyathutheni ngayo. Mfethu general ngayi siya go.
Yeah, sure bafethu. Hey, me-renew ye Christmas zonke 2026 azikhathi.
Eka enkwasho. Kanjalo.
First episode.
2026 first episode. Uzwile episode.
Mm.
Episode by the way. Sisezingeni elisha. Episode. Okay. Sisaqhubekisa le ndaba le yalentwana le manje. Intwana yami. Intwana yami. Nyoso. Kanjalo. Manje dathini. Actually akumela ngimbuza ukuthi ngithini. Bowuthini? Indaba ka Lodge. No Kabini. Exciting la ngithi besibuza ngama opinion.
Kabini.
Yeah, Kabini. Instead of Kabini njengoba ubuza ukuthi ukhetha bani between Kabini and Mkwana. Oh, sorry. Mkwana and Lodge.
Ngithe uMkwana.
The reason yakho kwaba yini?
Because of bekaladlala kuma qualifiers yakule project. So it's unfair ukuthi because kune players on form. Sekumele Silcova yabo fans kanto mina vele benga uMkwana nju bengisho bamkhetha ngithola because the way asabe uzwane ngakhona ngisho ukuthi uzosaba uMkwana ngithola ngisho ukuthi uzokhetha boma ntu
Shabalala
ngithola because bekalebela mkhetha the first 2 or 3 games. So masekavelile kwavela nale ndaba ka Lodge. But ngabona ukuthi okay uMkwana le project le yokuqualify mayicala bekada and bekadlala ngithola then wavaya waye eMatunisia whatever
wasithola seka
Saudi no. But for me now I know ithatha as a play ngithola sidlala league ikasi dlala ama league ikasi sadlala bakufaka bathi number 9 eyusha amagoli wenza yini uyamisa sebholweni vele sesodlala i-tournament emnandi ke Marienburg okuphi bayakusaba bathi khona ifikile on form. Ucabanga ukuthi nathi as ama players sihlala nawe sofila kanjani?
Mara mina
nawe wena uzofila kanjani?
Nakhona mina futhi le situation yakalokhuzana uMkwana no Lodge mina kimi cishe yafana because uMkwana is being part of the project but unalawa nyamalala khona kwathuleka. So in that process the other gent was working and sabona umsebenzi wakhe uMkwana was also working but lento le besimbizele yona
but yazi into yabona ngabe bekuyi team edlala week in week out. I would understand but let's squad sihlala once a month. uLodge uthola iform like after FIFA Club World Cup ilabe sikacala dlala khona nakuyitat bamrenewele yangithola iform like ikhaniliza no. uMkwana bekachangana nama team maybe uyamazi ke Hugo Bros unjani mawucala uya kulama league lawa ngathi yabo ukubheka nga-one eye akasakubheki
cishe yafana cause
Uyangithola?
njengoba usho ukuthi uHugo mawucala utshentshana nama-team mawungadlala uthola i-game time from yena and akakubiza uthole ikolapho to me kufana nokuthi i-situation efanayo yes umkwana has been part of the project and everything right but there's nothing esikhulumayo ngomkwana la dlala khona ukuthi umkwana is okay he was doing great njengoba sibona yena nomkota baphikisana nana it same applies to Lodge. I think iform yabo kusibona ukuze kube nale debate it was yenzakale the same
because uLodge beseka
the same time
but akuyafana nje uHugo bekangeke amkhethu I'm telling you na ku-World Cup ngeke ambize
angeke vele ambize
that's why
last time ngithe kune agenda
le chapter siva agenda everywhere
ngifuna ukuze uSteve police hamba namaphoyisa makababophe
no comment la comment
okay senze question ibe simple singayenzi ibe yangithola isquad bamdinga uLodge yes or no ungacomment anything yes or no no maka phela ngiyazi ukuthi uzothi yes because of no because of angifuni leyo comment
not
just yes or no no yeah sivali
mina wangangibuza
uyamdinga wena ino ukuthi umfuna la yamthola but then yabona i-debatable too but
idiski kusomele sil-understand njengo-Dr. Khumalo 16 Vulavala athi idiski more you-player you need to understand ukuthi kunamalanga la kubheda khona kunamalanga la kumnandi khona so that being said tough luck mntwana Lodge yoso
is a great player no lies
top
but
top
sesikhuluma ngama-windi avuliwe
yabona manje
vuliwe amawindi
Saling
uyicala da
straight to the point
awuyile
no Saling
headline
Saling
did you see that coming
and I'm fine in fact South Africa
ama-journalist wasemzansi ayenza le nto leya ngikutshele ngayo ngona ngubani konje ngucoach Stellenbosch makazofaka bebangabuni babuya sebabuya Stellenbosch izosayina ucoach kanti but beningazi ukuthi uyahamba leya coach ungazozenza izinto bayenze nangu Saling manje vele Sundowns uyangithola
maka
sebayavela
I think ilona i-deal grand between ama-teams wethu in terms of bakhona like the way basha business kathini under carpet saba no mfethu akithibi exclusive sekusho like the way benze into kathini nna ke bona ba itshune grand ke the tla me basha business kathini in terms of business vele yabo wetsa di so ke ana no like ibile grand ka bana re shock le jwang Saling Sundowns would have thought rona re ba Saling a khutla go Pirates phela tsene ba
but I think maybe at least team ibe ne-journalist abazoyihlebela kuzoyenzakala
don't you think ukuthi le deal le mfethu iphathi owner wama-team ukhoza nomtsepe
kanjani
ke bona ba entse ndileng like deal so phela upule Saling mfethu khutla so go Pirates santsana na le contract Pirates ava mahala o paisitswe so that's why re sa tsebo like kai utlile jwang and then lo gona go benefit ang ko yone dealing eo
ngibone leya video leyisendela
yeah
leziya zithi usayine pre-contract
that's why aqale ukwenza lezi zinto zakhe
talitso aqala ukubehave so
yeah
I was like nah I don't believe that story
exactly
I don't believe that into engishoyo ngayiye emzansi iplayer uzosayina whoever into esinga-expectanga ne then kuzovela out of nowhere sesiyazi sadini sesiyazi ukuthi why uvayile bebathi i-Pirates kwenzakala what bebathe umuntu angakikho grand meantime bebathi bekuneyitori zibhayi sadini consideration ne-Sundowns sewayazi ukuthi usayine there's nothing like
esinye story
in fact there's nothing like that I think nje i-Pirates imthengisile because of
whatever reason
amthengisile situation yenzakele as wonke ama-journalist speculate
and
something wasn't right
idile sharp
and
idile sharp le teng alahla yala like normal se re itsebe
I just hope and pray ukuthi uzodlala
Sundowns Pirates ga tseba di-player top players
but i-question nayo
since gifted
siyazi ukuthi each and every
Ufisa
now and
khulu.
then i-Sundowns mayifuna ama-play sesiyazi ukuthi ihlale laphaya njengale player leli babalifuna konje la kuphi
Brazil
Brazil
balisayidini
yeah, listen to what I'm saying besazi ukuthi bayalifuna more because advertise. So my question is, do you think or do you really think ukuthi Sundowns bemdinga uSaleng or Saleng was offered to Sundowns?
I don't think he was offered. I think maybe Sundowns balandile athi hey sifuna lo muntu
Insite offer grand
nayi imali.
Pirates accept linakulana jwalo.
Pirates at ayi
offer
vele
grand.
business some Spanish. Okay sharp. Ngicubeni but yazi uthini into engikhenyayo yonke into le. I don't care ukuthi usale ne Sundowns or whatever that happened. What bores me is I just think bores me. Angibore.
Okay.
Angibores. Bores me
Kahle kahle.
ukuthi i-Sundowns won't sell their best player uPirates.
Uvi. Uyowasho ukuthi babulela competition angithi.
They won't do that. So ngi-big institution i-small club says siphethe imali sithi sifuna iplayer lami liwa and bear in mind Pirates number 1 eligini. Sundowns number 2
na 2 points.
bayishiya nga 2 points and i-Pirates ntanga bene-opportunity ukuthi bamlethe Vivio ntanga balungise whatever. We are fighting for the league. If we win the league, break streak se-Sundowns sa 8 years sama league. Ngiyangithola wena amathulusi ibhame enginazo engimele ngingaze empini noma ngabe besingasebenzi kahle lesinye khona ukusilungisa sithi ngizokhona ukudubula ngaso. Ngiyasicova ngesigawe ukuthi wena uzodubula mina. Mara mina ngiyakuthengisela leso sibhamu wena ukhona ukungithengisela. Wena ukhona ukukhipha your best players noma nalelo i-Sundowns nama player by quality no abangabadlalisi. Ngiyangithola angeke babhayisele Pirates ukuthi nali player. Uyangithola but i-Pirates from Gift Rain Cheese Boy
Futhi way back yo.
from way back the Komodise uyangithola Godfrey Sapula andile Jaluva yebo ma Belgium akasuka ngo Pirates notso naye akasuka ku Pirates bayabo ma Belgium. Ngiyangithola wonke the Komodise Lodge manje usale
the list is endless.
dog like why ngibhayisela wena ngibhayisela umuntu ekumele ngilwe naye. It doesn't make sense.
And at the end of the day I say like Saleng capable of doing what Ali hate.
So I wanna understand something. What doesn't make sense?
Ukuthi i-Pirates ikhona ukubhayisela i-Sundowns ama-play. Exactly.
I think it's based on business, whatever business thing. Because at the end of the day, book
business to who?
To Sundowns. That's how it is. Phela i-Sundowns sakhuluma previously ukuthi i-Sundowns ibheke iside layo. Isibheke yona yodwa. You remember?
Yeah.
Sure. So if when you selling me amabhule sokuthi ngubudubule whilst we're at war, I'm gonna take them and shoot you, dog. But I will never share my ammunition with you.
No. Let's understand. Angibhorwa i-Sundowns. I-Pirates.
Okay.
Ukuthi why yona ithengisela labantu ibham mara abakhona ukusithengisela thina.
Bank liyaphuma liza ngayi.
Khona manje kunawa rumor ukuthi umndawo ama-rumor just rumors yabo upakania whatever angwa-believe because of I know
because apparently
we know
offer from a Saudi.
So don't you guys think okay ama-rumor like rumors can be true sometimes can be false. Don't you think ukuthi kulama rumor maybe there might be some slight thing ukuthi Saleng for Mudau
we swap.
That's why I'm just
ngabe sebayi-announce
like the swap.
Ngabe sebayi-announce
and
ukuthi bebazosho ukuthi swap deal.
Maybe a slight ntho ka etsang gore like movie be yetsane phela akacaba komdawu uvela asale happy la ko Sundowns arenew phela useze ka 6 months which is akasayina any pre-contract le any team so yena ke mtholo ngwavala ko Sundowns
okay bafethu aretse
so
so
sa tsebe ngokufella kae
aretse so before re tlo bua actually it's re kene mo transfer market right ke batla re nke ke go ba bua ka mdawu re kene ko squad anyana mo afconing una le ntho ngwe ne ke batla go bua piece ya ka mdawu
nge-AFCON
piece ya ka mdawu
ufuna siringe no or soringa nge-squad
ringing a squad no indaba le yabo le yaka whatever that's happening because manje ngibheka umdawu I have a lot of things engifuna ukuzi-highlighta ngomdawu ezenza ukuthi Steve azasho ukuthi umdawu akasekho mnandi like akasajabulanga kusana
ayekho yiphi kuSundowns
and manje lezi zinto lezi ngathi ze-affecta negame yakhe
lento yiko bros bekamlandele yona
into engiyibonile kulento esquad siyamazi umdawu ukuthi umdawu exactly mfana bengibheka phela umdawu udlala i-fullback and he's more of a defensive and offensive player umdawu mfethu besazi ukuthi ngama-qualifiers umdawu he would do like maybe 2 if not 3 or 4 ama-shots are dangerous to the opposition 18 box labo AFCON dog ndawo we get the lokhuzana i-scheme abe nespace angasebenzisa kusela ibhola emuva so lento leyo ngenze ukuthi ngaquestion ukuthi umdawu usenzele ifavor noma like angathi benga-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani naye dog back to lento leyo yakho ukuthi akajabulanga nanani lento yokungajabula phela ngathi
ocabanga ukuthi i-affecta mina ngimbona adlalile esquadini
umdawu ongimaziyo yabona angisho ukuthi akadlalanga udlalile ukudlala umdawu ongimaziyo mfethu
potential
phela umdawu nomrena they almost like similar players you understand but umdawu is more aggressive than umrena and umdawu makashaya ispan uyakhona ukubona ukuthi lo muntu lo uyafuna ukudlala but le ngiyibona ku-AFCON ngathi mfana akasiphanga lo mdawu esimfunayo useyila lo simfunayo fair defensively out of 100 it can be 7 to 60 kwamanye amagame but ukuya phambili
Kenya ungeza
umkheja kanjani ungeza
ungeza yabona ukuthi ngikamshayisa overtime
and I argument ngalento le
yakangeza
no about lento kamdawu athi mfethu wonke lama-player adlala lapha esquadini ubona umdawu kuphela ngithi bra umdawu used to give us something to talk about but
that's the thing ngathi ama-fans sifuna ukuhighlighta i-player elizomesa egaming but elikhosta i-team ukuthi ikora abafuni ukulibheka babheke le mesile la ukuthi le yasidlisile leya but lo yenza ifoul lapho ukuze baskore
maqeda imjida athi abantu lapha phambili akusipana ngithi awubani abakora amagoli
ngitho into engikutshela yona ukuthi thina as ama-fans sobukela idisi Tito uMessi abutito uyawakora but uskorisile ukuthi baskore la kunomuntu oskorisile that is why isidlile if lo muntu loyo bekangayenzanga phela igoli lesi-2 lebafana le against iCameroon umdawu bekathi uyacleara laphelela la bathatha lelo bhola lelo babuya baza la esayidini lakhe bacrossa bakora and nada abantu ababhayanta esibheka sesikhuluma ngesquad
ngisho sona bebe ngithi singene kwizen so
abantu ababhaya la babheki bathi wow Sibisi angamakanga leya because of yena bekayibhekile but uyacaveza i-defend first thing you look at is your goal side uSibisi bekabhekile ile if bekaye kuloya kanti bekunomuntu emva kwakhe bebazothi uba nenza mistake bekayelani da do you understand abayibheki ukuthi lento isuka lo muntu ubuya nongezana le that is why ngithi umdawu mina ustress ongeza lo muntu ubuya nongezana le ungezana azoyenza wamyeka waya le side ugijima ungene 18 makaceda waya le uyeke lo muntu okorile uyomeki bekahamba naye so baseze beze boyi2 bagijime na wamyeka waya le so bebafuna ukuthi uSibisi asuke la epositionini yakhe la khona azomaka le cause bekaseduze
mara
Sekusile
The same space
you the
vele.
nearest person okungamaka lo muntu lo wafuna ukuyokhava ispace omunye umuntu uzomdonsa like step lo muntu
Ekutokule out bezocrossa anyway.
anyway
Ngabe uhambe nalo muntu lo bekazoba phambi kwakhe bekangeka hate umntana bekuzohate umngizana. But yena uthatha ama decision awathathile. I don't know why. Makuhlala wathatha. Fana nga highlighter from igame le angona. Baskorisile ifoul yenziwe ungizana. Against Egypt uphinde the very same foul cishe bascore. Same sport. Kule game le Cameroon uyeka lo bablame uSibisi abantu banyeni uSibisi ngabathi uSibisi takesidlisile ngidaba fethu andinavari bafethu andinava lo muntu uzagijima nongezana awumiyeke umuntu wakho nta
laba mangadlala
angathi umzulu yuko protein ufuna kama players ale Europe ukuthi khona uperform
singama players la Europe
now
waphumile futhi bawadlile izo Cote d'Ivoire naye bayidlile ama players la Europe mostly ama players e-Egypt adlala e-Egypt.
But bafethu kuna lento le identity yethu we stick with that we don't want izinto ukuthi
That's my thing Othiam.
Come on,
That's my thing.
it's like promoting European football asifuni PSSS ngoba sazi ngelokuza ngediskilate.
That's my thing ngebafana bafana into ongayisho ukuthi thina sintsombi ngebhola malikithi inyaweni skills naso. I-Brazil doesn't have those physical players in
they've got slick players
but skillful. They use that. They use that too. Thina why sifuna ukudefenda asina ne-physique yokudefenda ku-AFCON Othiam. Mara lapha sidlala ngama-defensive midfield ayi-3 sifaka ama-defender ayi-5 no what are you defending? What are you defending?
Come on,
Igame liyaqala what are you defending?
and like igame besilisa kulabantu
Mfethu
first 10 minutes ayaqala vele nakudi preseason
first 3 games wena udlala i-4-2-3-1 or whatever the formation bekayidlala sekuyisikhathi se-knockout manje ukuthi manje we have to attack. There's no time to defend. Ufuna ukuwina lo muntu bekafuna ukufika efinalini e-AFCON nje uyafika ngakhona the last time ngama-penalty hayi mfethu
we capable of scoring goals why penalty
mfethu ufaka uReal awumfakanga kula magame la ufaka uKabini angemfana and yibo boyi-2 abamisa ama-opportunity ukuthi they should have scored and we could have won.
uKabini bengeke mfana bengizoqala
never fit
I-point la
because of you know
why
why
are you doing that to
You know
the
why?
player
same
too?
players bro we continue
You know why?
Why are you doing that to these players?
Umdiba makadlala nomfukeng bane understanding boyithu bakhona ukudlala boyithu esayidini mina umfukeng for mina akadlala ngablind ngicale la akadlala
Akadlalanga
chance
blind.
ne
Uthole leya chance
umisile nani but then I could see like umntwana
if he played
makakadlala
previous games,
confidence kuyona mthende short afela kontwana
ukuthi yazini
Randa press i-first game yakhe kubatwa impress so for mina akadlalanga blind u-emotional akhipha uwapolice khona
yo alapho imosho
da
wapolice yobekadlalisa
ama-player afana nabo wapolice ungamkhiphi because of obvious sharp maybe boma first half akusiplay khona ithi alimini uzophuma egamini kancane but then I'm count out loyo muntu onjalo because of siyamazi ukuthi unjani apolice nato khona like kuyona le nginemkhisha la yini
mawathi bamvala uyazama manje ukhipha umuntu odlalisa
umperformele vie lela game umkwena mina because of umkwena
udlalile umkwena udlalile umkwena. Do you know that's why I think why he performed well. I think because of now bekadlala nomuntu amazi Obas ntanga naye udlalile
blind yeah
udlalile
kakhulu futhi so like leya semuva le nginga understand 3 center backs umbokazi bamdlalisa left back of which he played well okay Sibisi nongezana siyacava ama wing back sihamba ngama wing back this time masekusona Kabini lo mdawu kumele yibo basebenze because of C3 la move then must defend mele so value immediately
ntanga uKabini bekaya phambili ne bekaya phambili
amabholo kaningi
yes
amabholo too much
but wena mawubhekile ukuluza amabholo kwakhe ikhosweni
mina i-confidence
confidence
le ntwana le
mfethu
beka umdiba makangena ngabaqeda ukumfaka umdiba
uze negoli
and futhi nelekhuzana i-introduction come on.
Ratsi ba o kentse mremi win
Come
all know
on,
like o ya
baba.
pele.
And I
Go forward.
Untanga da ngabe uyimekile urile kulapha ku number 10 kwamfakela wapolisi wamekela ku right wafaka umremi ngada wafaka ungwana sisi walungisa lapha emuva wafaka umndipo
wasacrifice i-defender lapha emuva
wasacrifice i-defender VV wazofaka
mele safule
maybe ngabe ufaka umbatha or something
yazi umbatha ne ukhona ukudlala as a defensive aphinde abe forward because of unesigubha ngithi siyazi ukuthi la emidlini ngifaka umbatha okay kuno overs siyacaba ukuthi overs uzoshaya i-dirty job and then umbatha mele around rotate yena nomkweni mele basidlalise
umkweni
uyadlalile nje so like that damraw la utasala ka 3 mfethu ngathi ba imidlini ngokhi
if Shabano batswana ba tshwere that's on defense what more if ne kense batho ba nkopile ngabe re win
Cameroon bengekho kulela game le
mfana
bona bo hankabe
Cameroon bengekho but then abona
Hugo Bros coward
he is
so me singasho sithi costly
hayi is a coward too
usidlisile coach we flopile enhlekile
yonke into from saqala from the first game
too flopile
yazi mfana there's something I don't understand and I think asenze clip game la AFCON why mankora seke nafu ufuna ukudefend I don't understand udefender babangakora labantu nizoyenzani ukuya phambili bazoyenzani ngoba sowufaka ama defender nama defensive midfield uzocreate kanjani amagoal I don't believe in this. I mean, the best way to defend is to hold the ball.
To attack him.
Just hold the ball, play the ball. Nimakele ngakhona nithola ibhola endlaleni ibhola.
Ndawo kumele sidlala khona into our strength vele sidlala ibhola.
Mfethu asinayo physics
because of sinama
nabomboyemo mfethu
sinama player abhaya ukuthi mawaphethe ibhola they can attack, they can dribble, they can pass like
and they can protect the ball while in motion.
So le ukuthi sodlala ama diagonal route
sokuthi sofana ama defensive players
abelata uthetha route one never responded because of height
exactly
I understand and
uyazi nokuthi height ayisivumile anyway
and aerial for like ama aerial balls were not good
into engisho ukuthi ne height ngiyacava ukuthi ayisivumile maka nje ungezani wenzana na same foul all these games mele bayenzane nenza amakhona anize lento niyazi avoid nenza khona mfana
siyabonga ngezana hayi siyabonga
hayi ubisho hayi mina ngeke amafoul anje
siyamamela mfana usikhostile makafile
ntanga
hopefully ugelezile mpeli
that is why ngithi Hugo mfana icoward lo muntu lo makayenza kusithunga igame le-Egypt kumele amkhuza amtshela uteke wazoyenza la mafoul wakho
protector record ubonakala
mfethu all the game that's my point and asinaso strength thina defend
shaba qualify shaba qualify like the qualify games tse re dlalileng neditla so la sa tshabe la
onathepa bana bayi basofitla basabathepa
mfethu bazokuthemba kanjani
bo mfethu lahlele abantu bakawufela mfethu bazokuthemba kanjani mu tournament I felt ngaka Hugo Bros ngaka ba protector mfuking akuthi bam protector from what
na some protect like namo biases are straight mfethu if u protector motho umkhethela ngo hayi moli umkhethela
I can understand the factor mfethu
une diamond ebenchini
uhlele phezulu
el-creative uhlele phezulu ngafaka bani
watamfana mahopho phuletse babhanga mfethu ugena kwara that's it fika game yakhe ali minutes ekudlalileni
ukubonisa
bathila shapa 2
cishe mfethu
and Tom nato ithi isingahloyo yona tapping le very semakorile kade mahopa mfana onguputsa nakusawona santsane iyetsa nodale mbaka le strike attack first pole mahopa does that baba
mfethu korile goal difficult to fit the
nazi into ezikubonisa bekurile ubonile urile ukuthi iphase kanjani le u-first ukunina inika first half isinika ungwana sezi because into ukuthi so ucoach mina understand ubhekele iPirates uyabona ukuthi le combination
uthatha ama player abhawe Pirates
yasebenza ayuzana ne-1
yabona lapha
ayuzana ne-1 combination
amaplayer wakhe
makataphaeka za Hispanisa watamfana
a coward.
because no shaba kathi let's
Kwala.
I think that's the safest way
Natima.
ntwana coward ibile ligwala kakufanele
Ma mfethu ba kwala jwa motho re dithu
yeah
Ugwala,
ke
bro.
mo ditshile ka dithunya tsa hae
mfethu
bona
O phethe into ezingadumu.
dithunya tsa tsontsanyana bona ga thaba umsebela ma
Thabile.
Oh,
umsebelo gabe
phela iCote d'Ivoire le nto yabo izolo beyikhiphe esekeni half
17
layer
17 lo mzimba
kunale number 19
Le bayifakile.
le egijima enomzimba
ile bayifakile
ile dayi
ha bafethu bekandla abantu abasabi baba bayalahlela amabhomu wabo
mina ngikhuluma ngegame konje igame yangi
mina ngidleya izolo
Iyamova.
yasebusuku mina ngikhuluma ngale kunale bayifakile edayile
eNigeria
ina 17 years
Nigeria.
Yeah,
uyabona
17.
abasabi ngiyibhamu bayazilahle wena uhleli wena uwes uhleli ngediamond
kunoShandre Campbell jo mzama
baba.
akamboni
mfethu
akamboni
mfethu
mfethu because samazi uShandre ukuthi uyashaya ivala iplay ukuthi ahambe
chief we've seen your players
You go
we've
for-
seen abomkwana
Ngathi is buying friendship
with
with players you
never
can't be
span.
doing that mfethu
You
you need
guys
to
is
treat us
span.
equally mfethu
mfethu mina yenze run mfethu
equally
going to
Wabona-
the World Cup mfethu
So, ke World Cup- ga World Cup ngani World Cup World Cup
attacking
ayitfanele
country.
Not the doubts already now
Like na di-doubts.
yeah because
That's why-
of the defensive mawudlala i-defensive football uncisha umfukengu uthashaye
obvious
uncisha umkodo uthashaye
ovi
uncisha umrimi uthashaye because of wena ufaka abantu abahleli emuva labantu laba badinga abantu abazokhona ukuconnecta imidlili yabo iconnecte nawo ukuthi bakhona ukwenza izinto unotebza umuntu okwazi ukwenza kanjani angazi ukuthi umtsheleni ukuthi ahlala stay akayenzi awuthi yambonile against Cameroon bekathi athi
enula mashot up high
bekathi
upblocking
athi because of ile lo player leyo yini lo msavela yona because mawuya kula ma tournament aso awuthi yamiyoba expose labantu ubabeka out there ukuthi abafethu nasi stage perform do your thing
and into ebhorayo ne basendliwa mfethu niba under pressure ngibona wonke ama-team adlala ku-AFCON nayizolo i-Algeria befuna ukubamba iNigeria 1-1 I think ukuthi oze na-penalty ithe iNigeria maceda ukushayela i-1 yashayela isi-2 khona laba sebabofuna ukuphaphama khona sema-plus 2 le nto lethu ukuthi singa-convert ama-chances wethu then we wanna chase the game sekusele ngama-10 minutes lapho yabo sengathi manje yangithola like I don't understand ukuthi is it something like it's a bad habit
iTunisia vele yenza igrand yadliwa vele mina bengifuna badliwe hayi iNigeria naye Algeria man angithi babuya le north zonke lezi zase-north bengifuna ziphume izolo manje Cote d'Ivoire
manje
manje
ngathi pushwa vele lezi zasenorth ukuthi la
ngisho mfane sacala mfane afcon ngathi la ngile iphushele nje ukuthi North African teams jo uzibonile izolo bese sifuna ukushawura and azina ne-shot goal
amateam asenorth zilusabo river
ayazi lezi
bafethu ama-player wethu amanye awatholanga i-platform yokuthi bashine grand bashine bashowcase i-talent yabo so kuyabona showcasing i-talent yabo besikhuluma nge-transfer market going back to transfer market headlines Monapule Saling doing the best and my niggas they're saying it's a deal and I'm also saying it's a deal judging Labuya corner things that he had maybe it's a first starting on a new slate clean slate sibona ukuthi imphatheleni bafethu yabo so transfer market bafethu manibhekile isiphatheleni amanye ama-team team yami angazi ukuthi ngisaminyile angazi
okay sizokuphendulela team yakho
ungangiphenduleli then coming to i-Pirates Orlando Pirates engizothi Sundowns but yeah Orlando Pirates as well
coming to your team
ungangiphenduleli team yami mina ngizosikhulumela
ushilo uBobby no ukubona statement ku Twitter uthe akasayini
enough players
nama player enough
lama player enough
uthe kunama player buye injury ne uthe kunama player buye injury
labo zointroduce manje abo le ntwana leyo lemlungu
bara Chislett
nayi buthe bona hayi
uthe ba right bamnandi zonke into yabo igrand
ba straight
ihleli igrand
bamela ama trophy
bayakhumbula ngokutshela ngasho athi ama-player ku-Chiefs right
yini engekho right awucoach
ngihlangane nenye out izolo Roadhouse i-Favorite Chiefs e-Roadhouse isho the same thing Favorite Chiefs ithi i-problem yeteam yami kusama-player ithi yabona ngabe i-team yami beyine-coach efana nalo we-Pirates last season uSho Rivera. Ithi ngabe u-improve ama-player bhayi ithi that guy bekwazi uku-improve i-player individual improve lili that is why ubone Pirates iza nama-youngsters abhayi so yena uthi i-problem la i-coaching
basayine i-coach wrong
and no uthi abo-coach laba balaphaya bafuna ukusurvive so they'll do anything they can change formation 10 times in one game
or labo coach laba
abakhona manje they just want to survive ngithola because of whatever they do babheke i-record la last season lakanayo so going forward whatever bayenzayo bazobheka ukuthi last season this time unabi beka i-position bani thina we have to be yabo yonke into bazofuna ukwenza kanjalo so they are coaching there to survive angachange information 10 times in a game so that they don't lose it's either they draw they win ngithola so into bengisho ukuthi mina for me if bengispana ku Chiefs top level management ngida mina my thinking bengizothi i-out is the Chiefs no Chiefs inenyuki brand growth you all know that azika inyuku scout bavaye boyifuna i-coach egrand ekwazi ukuspana ne-development players to first team players.
What makes you think ukuthi abayenze lento leyo wena ezozoba mangabuka lapha
where is it showing now?
It's not showing, but
it has to show. What Rivera showed first season we can tell this guy ufuna ukuspana ngama-youngsters.
Listen, you can't be saying no. You can't be saying right now ukuthi the way you talking ukuthi mina mangabe you're not sure who's going and behind closed doors.
So it's statement.
Yeah, let's sign a player.
No, ukhulume coach. They don't need the coach. Right, yes. Usho kanjalo.
It's a family business.
What the flip?
That's when ukhulumela based on lento engiyifundile like she. That is why ngithi if mina bengispana no skip out uJanuary. League yaphela ngomini. Mabavayo bayofuna i-coach
abakasawa
basathi isikhathi sabo
sokufaza uma basawazwala ikokora uthi
obona ntwe bo bua inale like the outcomes say too and one of the outcomes ke yone loring e tlo ba worse fita eng ya uqala arena coach arena structure awusayini coach awubathi coach awethe nix so batla mchubeka this sinking ship
uchondi
so that simply means wena or escape sa rona sana le ndimbogo se ukwala
mbogo
otla kwala ka super club le super club tunnel for kola re ka escape se ntsha mchubekele pele re bona so spanela jwa la ska ba cheap
or yazi maybe angayisho in two ways in his defense angayisho in two ways angasho ukuthi no ngeke basayini coach
no now
officially mina nami ngavumelana naye because no noba bangasayini coach top manje January it won't make sense because manje angeke asayine anyone angeke abe nesikhathi sokuspana nalama player because of manje makangena eza amusha uzofuna ukuspana ngawo whoever khona la ayenzini uzofuna ukubambela uthatha isibamba until isizini iphela then angithi yazi social media uzotani landi plan
but I think business strategically business wise
yena ngivaya coach vele right ama player vele lento mina bengisho ama player Chiefs are right ukuthi nje if bekune coach slim bengamanyuva yithi
yena sishilo
mara no wabona
ama player agree no Chiefs
agree
ashota njengelona ngecoach izobabamba grand
that's it
yabona manje nakhona lento kungasayini coach I think nakhona business wise lento ukuthi okay if ngizosayina coach omusha akusikudala ngisayina amanye ama player mangifaka coach omusha uthola ukuthi akawafuni lama player la akachitha so
understand
so kulelo side ngiunderstand but moving forward because lamachita lawa sebadlala ama game amaningi ukweni mangabe sesibona umehluko ka difference moving forward sisabona Stuart Baxter manje is the same football esibona
yazi point lambi ngiyapi ngalima ngithi bakhiphe no scouting team sofuna icoach ukuthi coach by Feb March babe bamtholile ababonile ama players ukuthi lama player green uzospana ngawo or let's add this and this and this laba spicy loaning, something like that. So that ahlale ne-team from March aze ayibukele i-team abone ukuthi oh ne-coach lezi okufuneka ngimthola something like this and this and this and that, then simnandi development kanjalo baya la uyabheka uyabona amagame hayi lama player lawa ngizothatha 5 players la yabo something like that. Hayi ukuthi bakuphela ileague bayivale isizini balanda i-coach makafika ayabheka 7 players athi yo hayi
yachitha
hayi ngiyachitha bona babona ukuthi yo lezi zi5 sichitha ukusayina ama5 years masizichitha la zifuna imali yazo manje uyangithola into ayimfane angazi bazoyenza kanjani mina I think it's the best way for no bangasayini umuntu
bachubeke
bachubeke bayekele
bona nje ba maintain nje le top 8 la
what's advisable
top 8
yeah so kula izosho khona ukuthi like they've improved ngenye indlela ngithola like so
makama bangafike kungena ku top 8 azihambi leziyana izahlala
zingava iChiefs mfethu iningi bayidinga coach like serious Joe like iChiefs ayidinga coach Joe
badinga coach uzokhona
ukusipana
nedevelopment lona ne-first team
like alishebile ne why PSL okay let's start with PSL Aribe so if you're a team manager team owner and you believe or philosophy ya rona gore re thole coach o grand tshwantse re thole coach o re o understand the player tse ke motho lo reng wa mthola ntho e jwalo then re lata coach o sa mtsebeng o tsebang re mtseba ka di statistics tsa ra mthone what's advisable like what would you say if you were to like to sign or should we still sign someone who knows the players who's been there like weekend like re ke excuse to be specific o qadile team wa tseba Kaizer Chiefs jwang o tseba ntwana tsele mostly da then what's more latana because of his attributes and actually study winning we don't know him but because of that and then was ogala mo teaming ha deliver then what do you make of that like would you recommend or resign him motho ba di players tsa rona re tsebe gore no matter ba mo 5 years re sa win o tla wa mthola o be le chemistry re needang at the moment but for no the way ke showing at we don't have that chemistry but my question still sticks. What would you recommend? Sign the one that you know, sign the one with the accolades, but still it doesn't even deliver.
Ke re ngiyaqala. Na kwe phakathi lo sign Rivero. Na go samqaba South Africa kwaphela. Tho fitlile sa fitla mo re tseditse manje
bathi plan.
So mabitso. Mtho a ba shaba di-stats tsa ba bona. Mtho a zanga a coach team e top o makara Spain or wherever. The only team who play national team junior Finland. Amtsibile jwalo okay. Re mbona. Wa bona like a tsebe kutsho like the scouts of Pirates. Di valele lo sha research ka mtho. Kutsho ndimthotsi na nentse dimlatela. Bamlatela ba bua le yena obvious. Ba bua matala sa to cash up mfethu so team South Africa in wabo obviously no ba in okay ke first team Pirates o sha research ya ka Pirates wa understand ke team e growth in cash up already a etsa jwalo yena sa prepare ntho tsa if ever tlong ka span wa prepare okay ha ke ya da na ke tla ka ntho so we discuss album le management board o right na plan ya ka ke ye so ke tla le batho ba ka so technically ya ka le ntho tse so batla ntho tse so ngala wenda yenyewe of which is Pirates im allowing banthola so Rivero fitle ngwa hae ka sharp mboni a re mtsibe a mara re mbona wa tseba vela rena di doubts a re mbona yo wadlala first season ga bona le Mfukeng asa qeta season ko DTC exactly phela u shayile half season ko DTC mthole
ke na mo ne qala mbona teng a
kora Mfukeng da ya ko a khutla ve ya monka ka season se tlo fela ka mdlaisa MTN final like wa bona ukufakile into ne depending santsane lenyana
zonke
o dikentse depending ka fela dilata ka ya next o letile so like but lo bontsho like na re samtsa
mbokazi
na re samtsibi like at all but then itsa re bona go mtho na le plan and the features ke la uthotsi di wengwe tsa Pirates mo le go no di batla go bona a young talent like dintwana compared to like re ntse re body player o kile bo so like donsa yi development re bone go like ka ra ntse re pheya ka ra ke dereng e bile ntukutuku makhanya yiwo ye tukutuku wa pheya ka ra phile ntwana tse go feditswa ko yena so like wa bona go like e jwang le Chiefs ke dereng e le go no tlamele e tune dereng e jwang go like wa tsake di scout di valuation research if ba di batla an international coach ya ka ra limthole ka ra phela Rivero ke captain tsa o qala tsa ka yeze a coach a senior team.
So you don't need history.
So okay, wait.
One
Yeah, ke yona ke anla ne batla answer jwa. You don't need hore. It's one way to experience. Exactly. Experience. Bona okay, nga go ka experience ba tlo go mfokela experience. Talk qala umonka ko MTC. O tlo mkenya ka final MTN 8 o bontshwa tsa experience o batla hore
ke dereng ela nga.
That's a cup experience, bra.
Ile dereng le wa issue Rivero wathi age is just a number. If the player is ready, he's ready. And just put him
simple.
in.
Player ready.
It's all about readiness and that's it.
Tangapama player.
PSL, young players, blind.
The pipeline. Into Kenya Kaizer Chiefs. Just go pull intwana ne. Market is loan out. Ezinye futhi is loan out just things. Phela manje uhlongwana ngasiphunyuka ezandleni wawe. Le MTC le score la. Yazi ngasiphunyuka ezandleni iphelele ba. Golden Arrows.
Of which is possible.
Le Islam, le sama le anyanitshela bafika.
Like break it down le ntwana le uhlongwana athi le ntwana le striking ability 1 2 3 4 what ngifuna la uyamfuna.
Like lathi le abafethu. Ngamtshela yi coach entsheni South Africa.
Isinya team bangadlali.
Amanqobo
mfethu. Golden Arrows senior team bangadlali. Udlala DDC is there. Remember basayine le ntwana na 15. Le ntwana isebenchini ye DDC. Kule game la Vandag le libe balidlala. Ufisi badlala draw. So that tells you something ukuthi hayi le ntwana le bazitshela ukuthi hayi senior coach naye lapha ibukele phela.
Umanqoba vele would be a good coach for Chiefs.
Exactly.
Yazi ngayikhuluma nini?
Exama why is strengthening nini? Awu right uGolden Arrows in Safari.
Mina ngifuna ngitshela. Okusafara singasafara makuzophela mina understand.
Akuzophela
and
sophela tu.
Lo kusafara lokuyachentshana ngendlela ezibuyele.
Kudala nathi safari.
So like sohleka nathi and
Nesihlekile kudala.
Ama scouts
izoba right.
Bane mali choose nini.
Yeah. Into nami ngisho
bangatholi local coach. Bayingali.
Local coach awangayithola uManqoba mara bangamtholi naye. That's what I'm saying. Mara into engisho ukuthi yazi icoach mele bayiringe nayo. Maybe ize ngayi 3 months prior. Bakhulumisane bazi ukuthi philosophy yakhe yini. Mfana ngabheki history ukuthi unama cup. uRivero bekangana ama cup.
Uze ngaphangela ama cup.
Makabheki ukuthi Pirates uyenze.
Uhambe na 5
stadium ayagcwala stadium kanje because of layer out. Ngithola. Ibhola limnandi. Abantu mfethu bafuna ukubukela ibhola limnandi.
That's it.
Bafuna ukuthi mangikhipha iFortiger lami nge-stadium enjoy game.
That's it.
Ngithola. Ene thina besicava iChiefs ukuthi bekuyiyo
cup specialist.
Kwaba yiSundowns.
Kwaba yiPirates.
Cup Kings.
Sangachange amatafula. Njengoba seshilo ukuthi angachange amatafula mala lento lena. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your insights about show yethu bafethu. First episode 2026. Somebody on my voice. General himself. Ule Kevin Cap. Jonas wasemkoti. Awes. Kajalo Cap. Ule Kevin Cap.
Ule Kevin Cap.
Mwana wathwe ngijabukule. Sifuna
ukhathele ujabukule.
Ukhathile.
Ubhekena lento.
Awakhathi.
Ukhathele.
Ujabukule.
Ungamebizo yakho. Ushavule.
Yabona bangitshela bathi isikhathi mina as a host ngiyangitshela
Ushavule. Yeah. Khuluma Ushavule.
Njalo ufaka idiscipline.
Tshela mina bathi ufaka idiscipline namajita akhuluma kabi.
Exactly.
Awuthiyami as former professional league player, you don't talk like this
Mac
about a national team. That's even worse. it's not i-team oyisupportayo national team uthi coach ahambe
Ngoba
futhi
siphumile
after World Cup
ku-AFCON.
or akahambe cause siphume ku-AFCON so bese ngamelanga sidliwe. Yazi lento leyifana nani Uthiyama, fana nokuthi masingene egroundini sithandaze. I don't believe in that. Mawuthi sithandaze usho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ablesse thina ukuthi siwine laba abanye bakhale badliwe. Cause uNkulunkulu wethu sonke
uthandazela uNkulunkulu ukuthi yonke lento enzakala la yenzakala egrade kungabi nezinto ezibhedda
nabo bayenze the same thing.
But now
Shuthi wonke amagame mele aphele ngedraw.
Nakhona mfethu uzibizela ukuthi ngifuna ukuwina nabathi ngifuna ukuwina akunawo
no bengifuna ukuthi ifana lento lokuthi ufuna ukuthi abanye badliwe abanye bakwat like they had no business in talking like that about
and ama-legends
a coach and players.
Only supporters can talk like
and ama-legends
simple
ama-legends
ama-legend wayiphi ama-team
thina sane-respect for Utso Vilakazi i-legend phela okokuqala Utso makale nto eshilo
it's not
nama ngikhondoni mfana
angikhulumi so
like I was impressed ngo-Shavul
abadress ukuthi ningachunde
so it goes back to like ukuthi ubakhuluma kanjani abantwana
exactly and then ngutshilo like ngithoki coach like ucoach alintwana di-junior
ushilo athi wena i-coach
di-junior ke future loko nka representa rona ko national team so and udumala ngosiyayidlala PSL
uzofila kanjani yena wathi ubaba makahamba
ngithola so like
awuringi so
in
a right man
I just Utso
not like us thina soyibeka the way
Utso uzama apologize for whatever lento ayishilo because of ayikwatile
ayikwatile wenze grade ifakile discipline
makale notlamele vele banele motho vele uyishwa
because if no sina motho to continue and continue le ka di players tse lo reng di qeta ona jo retire tse tswa mo PSL
dog wabo
shout out to Jabukule bafethu siyabonga idiscipline lento mele ikhulunywe yithi ama-fans sihleli siziringe abantu bebada kuleso space abadlalile
thina the supporters
shuthi uJabukule kudala Rabotso nabo Junior Khayitala abo coach bafuna bahambe lawo
kahle
bayasibonisa manje bani vale ujabulile asivala
sibonga abafethu sijabulile yabona vela siyabonga sijabulile no najabulile